Hello everyone. I am so glad you have joined me today. I love sharing my ideas with you and I hope you enjoy seeing them. This week I thought I would focus on the ornate layers dies, and today's card actually uses this die. So let's get started with this one. There's the card we're going to make. Now if you love this card and you want the supplies, there's a link in the information section below where you can order them. I would appreciate your support. Let's get started. All right. I have a new layout, so I'm figuring out where everything goes. All right. First thing you need is a piece of Mango Melody. And I got that from this paper. Okay, now this paper, I'm going to have to do it this way, all right, is from the, what is that paper? It is called the Artistry Blooms paper, and it actually has Mango Melody, and this is supposed to be Melon Mambo, but I think it's a lighter shade. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to attach this to our panel of the Mango Melody. You can easily change the colors by using different paper. All right, and I'm going to put that there, like so. All right, so we've got our panel created. That we're going to put on a whisper or on a white card base. You can use any white that you have, and don't forget to use your bone folder. Now all the measurements will also be in a link to the blog post so that you can see those also. All right, so I'm going to take and attach this. I just thought it would be fun to play with the ornate layers dies. And when I put my panel on the front of my card, I always open my card up, so I make sure I put it on the front. I have in the past put it on the back, and with the glue, you can't do anything about it. All right, so there we have it. The next thing you need is a piece of black, and this is like 3/4 by 2, 3/4 by 2.5. And we're going to take and we're going to cut the end of this at an angle. And I just snipped it off. If you do it as one quick cut, you're fine. All right, now this is going to go on here, and I'm going to use some glue to put it on. You can use whatever adhesive you have. I like the glue because it gives me a little bit of wiggle room. All right, let me pick this up. Let me pull this down a little bit. All right, and I'm going to put it down, and to see that it's straight, this paper has lines going across it. So I just put it even with that line, and if it's not, you can shove it up a little bit. So we've got almost done. I used some white and the medium daisy punch, and I punched out 2 daisies, and I'm going to curl those daisies. I'm going to curl 1 daisy with the petals going up, and 1 daisy with the petals, well, you curl them both the same way, but then you flip one over so that one goes down and one goes up, like so. And I have found the easiest way to attach the 2 of these is to put a glue dot on the back, press down hard, and then very carefully lift it off. If it doesn't want to come, pull the other way, or you'll rip your daisy. And then stagger your petals like so. I then use a 1/2 inch circle punch. It's retired, but I still use it. And I punched out a piece of Melon Mambo that I'm going to put right in the center. And then to add my flower on, just take and add some dimensionals on the back. I'm going to use my pokey tool to take the backs off. Hold your flower carefully so you don't break it or rip the petals off. And then this goes right here on this edge to hide it. And then to finish it off, I decided to tie a little polka dot bow. So I'm going to pull this out. I'm going to make my loop, pull my piece over, poke it through the hole. All right, there we go. It was stuck. The polka dots have a tendency to stick, but you just have to play with it. And then I want it tiny, so I'm going to take and pull my pieces so I get a tiny bow. And I'm going to make sure that this on the back isn't, excuse me, twisted. Sorry about that. There it goes. They were stuck. The polka dots were stuck on each other. All right, so pull it tight. And you've got your nice, cute little bow. And then trim your ends. And then again, use a glue dot on the back and put your bow in the middle and pinch the glue dot so that it kind of scrunches up. And then I just kind of added that little bow down there at the bottom. And there you have it. And if you have a daisy set, you can take and stamp the inside and the envelope with the daisy to match. And you have a cute card. Isn't it just adorable? So easy. I just thought it was time to play with my dies. Did you sign up for or have you signed up for my newsletter? If you haven't, check the link below. You get a free gift. Robbie's Stampin' Scoop comes out at least once a week, and every Saturday I send out a free tutorial for a card. So sign up. Let's make some cards together. Thanks for visiting me today. Have a great day.